To add or remove the battery status widget to standby on the iPhone 16 series, first let's return back to your main standby screen. So here on the standby screen, you want to make sure you swipe over to the widget screen. From here, you can choose to update the left or the right widget panel. So I'm going to add it to my left widget panel. So you touch and hold on one of the widget panels and then tap on the add button. Next we go down and tap on batteries, and then in status tap on add widget, and we have now added in the battery status widget to your smart stack, and then tap on done, and that's it. So now you can rotate between the different available widgets in the smart stack, and one of them is your battery status. To remove it, just touch and hold on the widget, then tap on the remove button, then tap on remove, and then tap on done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.